surface area. It's an area at the base of the tree. So let's just say, I know it's not 1 square foot, but play with me, 1 square foot. And so we measure all the square feet on an acre, and we know that if this pine stand is above maybe 130 or 140 square feet of basal area per acre, you're overcrowded. And you ought to consider thinning it. And I'll tell you why in a minute. So you could take a tape around the tree, and circumference equals 2 pi r, and area equals pi r squared, and or you can use this right here. And go ahead, who go first. Hold it sideways, and then look at this tree, and you see how it makes an offset in the tree. As long as the offset is in the tree, we count that tree. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so now look at this little hickory. And you can't move. If you can look at, but you have to say that. If you
Wow.
look at this one, and I believe the offset might be out. I'm not real sure. Or is it close?
No, it's close though.
Okay, let's pretend it's out. Then we don't count that tree. So what you do is you keep your prism over a single point, and you turn around it, and you count every tree whose offset is inside the trunk of the tree, like that one was. And so that big cedar, that's an eastern red cedar. It's a juniper actually. And you turn, and you just, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Without having the prism, I counted 12. And so good. You get a little bit close to being crowded, but keep in mind, this area was thin. Down there wasn't thinned as much. So I bet you if we go that way, which is what I was going to do, you take the prism out again, and I bet you'll see some much higher basal areas. So that's the math behind the science that says, thin me, baby. I'm too crowded. And the